Hello everyone and welcome back to the series. Today we'll see together how to choose very precisely what information will be displayed in your email signature. As usual, we meet in the no-code editor directly. If you do not know where to find it, you have the video on the subject right here to find it from your dashboard. Here with the example of this template, I can see with the names of the variables that I do not have my email address present in my email signature. We are going to prepare together a space for that new variable, and then we will get to choose what variable to display. So to create the space for a new variable, I click on one that is already present. So if I want my email address to be after the website or between the full address and the website, I click on my variable, I go up, and here I will add a row below my full address. Now on the left, in the components section, I have my different components that I can drag and drop, and here I have variable. Before I drag and drop anything, I zoom in to gain precision. So I take variable, I click on it, I stay on it, and I drop it. And here, by default, it is the email address that is displayed. But if I need to change it, I click on my new variable, and on the properties section on your right, you have variable to display, and this is where you get to choose precisely what variable to display in your email signature. On the left, we organized the different source of information. Here, the signature, you will find here the different informations that you have filled in your user's form. And what's great is that when you change the user that is previewed, here you will have the informations that have been filled by this users. So if I go back on mine, you can see that it has changed. So you have all the different informations right here. You have the phone numbers, they can be formatted or not. And the address, it can be a full address on one line or it can be in different lines. And organization, now it refers to a new form that is on the organization level. And there you can find the full URL or disclaimers or different custom fields that you have set in place. Social networks, we have gathered them for you right here if you were to add only one social network, for example. In my case, I was only interested in having my email address, so now that is chosen, I can affect its size, its family, the format, the colors, and so much more. Now that you know how to choose very precisely the information that is displayed in your email signature, we will see together in the next videos how to space elements from one another, how to apply conditions using display logic, and so much more in this series. As usual, if you encounter any problems or if you have any questions, the email address is down below in the description, and I will see you on the next one.